How to draw a radius circle on Google Maps. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open any browser and search Map Developers. Then scroll down till you find Map Developers, which is the official website. Click on it. After that, click on Map Tools at the top, and then click on Draw a Circle tool, which is the second option. After that, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In the address bar, simply type in the address where you want to draw a radius circle. After that, click on Zoom to Address, which is below Address. It will zoom to the address that you have written. Now in the radius, type in the radius you want. I have simply typed in 30, and beside that, you'll find miles, kilometers. You can choose anything you want. Then, for the border, you can choose any color you want. After that, press on New Circle. After you press on New Circle, your radius circle will be on the Google Maps. If you want to remove it, you can simply click on the circle and remove circle by clicking on Remove Circle. Now, if you just want a clear with only border, what you can do is remove the circle and click on Only Show Border. Then press on New Circle and you'll find a new circle with only borders. And if you want a new circle, add New Radius and then click on New Circle at the bottom and it will create a new circle. As you can see, there are two circles. And if you want to share this radius circle, scroll down in this page and you will find link at the bottom of the map. Simply copy this and send it to anyone you want to share this circle with. This is how to draw a radius circle on Google Maps. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.